Riria wakirania mucii wa Nairobi mathaa motuko muno makiria muthia-ini wa kiumia. Riri niryo inegene riria utunganaga nario kuma Irabu-ini. Riu na Irabu ni megwikunya gutu thutha wa Nema kuhinga Irabu imwe kumana na inegene rikiritie githimi. Irabu cia B Club, Jiweke Tavern, Space Lounge na Kiza ikahingurwo riria ikanyihia inegene.
These clubs had been served with orders before to ensure that they comply with the noise regulation, because ideally they are all located in areas that are considered residential and they are required to comply with 30 to 35 decibels.
Nema yugite Irabu ici ikahingurwo riria ikanyihia inegene kana ene cio macithondeke undu inegene ritari thumburaga aria maikaraga hakuhi nacio. Kihonia kingi kiria mangiethana nakio ni guthamia Irabu ici kundu gutaikaragwo ni andu.
If they fail to comply, what we are going to do is that we are going to take enforcement action, and like you have seen is that we have received a lot of support from the Kilimani police, and what we will do is that we will go ahead and make arrests and we'll have to align them in court.
Aruti wira a Irabu imwe iria ihingirwo ni mahanire ta mangiregana na watho uyu wa Nema na
clubs yetu hata sijui kama
but your employees
marega gwikira kirore maratathi ma kuonania ni maunite watho no Nema imahete nginya muthenya wa 5 kiumia giki gutia watho ucio. Ruhonge rwa Nema rwanjiririo mwaka wa 2002 na wira waruo ni kugitira maria maturigiciirie. Ngiribotera Inoro TV Jitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.